Now that we have set up both the bank accounts, and Payment Central batch types, we are ready to move on to the Payment Central module itself. When you open up Payment Central, you'll notice that the main screen is comprised of 4 sections: the batch information section, the current process section, the payments and credits section, and the payments and credits section, and the deliveries and charges section. To navigate to Payment Central, click on the AR drop-down menu again and choose Payment Central. You will see the 4 sections here on the screen: batch information, the current process, payments and credits section, and the deliveries and charges section. Please note that the payments and credits section can also show charges, and the deliveries and charges section can also show credits. The first section of Payment Central is the batch information section. That will show the batch type, the bank account associated with the Payment Central batch, any batch comments the user wants to put in there, the batch date, a customer selection field, and an optional expected total field. To access that information, you click here on the link at the top that holds the batch information. That brings up the informational screen that will show you batch type, the bank account, comments, the batch date, who the batch is being entered by, the optional expected total, and the customer selection screen. This is the standard customer selection screen that is in ION and many other sections of eoStar. And that is helpful to narrow the customer focus during a Payment Central batch. The optional expected total field allows you to put in an expected total for the amount of payments that will be put in during the Payment Central batch type. If the actual amount of payments entered does not equal the expected total exactly, you will not be able to post the batch. However, you can come in to this informational screen and adjust the expected total at any time during batch operations. Section 2 in Payment Central shows the current process that is being performed. The current process choice will be determined by the batch permissions. It can include a new payment, a new miscellaneous charge, or merely applying prior payments and credits. Here in the current process section, you can see the choice for new payment, new miscellaneous charges, or applying prior payments and credits. Section 3 of the Payment Central screen is concerned primarily with the payments and credits in a given batch. You can adjust this section to show either new payments, new and prior payments, all payments and credits, or payments, credits, and charges. You can select those choices by clicking on the link at the top of the section. Additionally, these choices will be determined by the batch permissions. Section 4 of the Payment Central screen is concerned primarily with deliveries and charges. You can select to see deliveries and charges, deliveries, charges, and credits, just credits, or all applications for the batch. As in the previous sections, to get to those choices, you click on the link at the top of the section and you can see those choices here. Once again, these choices will be determined by the batch type permissions.